Hello guys, sanbonani, welcome to my channel. The big day is here. Elamanqamu lifikile kena i-birthday umseleko's 50th birthday. Abalate umakhumalo noma Ngwabe. Hayi umakhumelo yena ufikile, umangwabe ufike late, like late. I'm sure there's people like sekukhulunywe neyipithi kwayo yonke into nje. We can see umayeni, she was there, umacele, she was there, we can see umpumelelo naye was there also. Athetha ke umpumelelo athanda ukuthetha iyipithi, sekakhuluma ngento ezingafu makuwumpumelelo, but they all looked beautiful. We can see ukubana hayi umakhumalo ufike late ngoba hayi bekasayiswenka sayiphoshonga untombo. But you can see umseleko is extremely annoyed ukubana umakhumalo nomangwabe came late. Uze uyasho ukubana there are things already that had annoyed me because abantu bafika kanjani emcimbini ongaka. How do they even come late? Because supposedly they stay around, or supposedly it was like the big day, everyone knew about it. So whatever that you had to do, you had to clear up the schedule so that you can be in time. Did they do this on purpose? Are they just trying ukubana bacike nje umseleko nkosi yami? Hayi shem, uyambona nje ukuthi sebemoshela usuku nkosi yami, like ake sekho right nje, sekabashaya ngama-side eye nama-bombastic, like yo guys, no ways. Like you can see nabantu bakwaduma bakhona, so abantu bakwaduma sing ukubana hayibo, kanti manje lamakhosikazi ayofika nje sokuyovalwa lo mcimbi. I think for me, from our side, it is disrespectful, honestly speaking. I know ukubana they might have like the disagreement and everything that they are having about number 5. If you really don't want to come, rather make an excuse and let someone know bana I am not going to come, rather than for you to come extremely late. Like at the end of the day, they are still Mseleku's wives. They are still the wives, honestly speaking. Like masesibheka kahle kahle ngeso of lokuba fair, they are still his wife. They are obligated to respect when he commands them to do whatever that he asks them to do. They are still obligated to support him. They are still married to him. At the end of the day, they are still married to him. Whether they agree with Umseleko taking number 5 or kanye high, I think both of them coming that late, it was a bit rude, honestly. That is my side. That is my 2 cents, honestly, guys. That is my 2 cents. I feel like if me and you singeko right, you also coming emcimbini wami extremely late, bana, you are even raising amanye amehlo, because already mina nawe asiko right. So nje I know they didn't have to do it like that. They did not have to play these cards like this. Honestly, they did not have to. They are looking beautiful. One thing for sure, they are looking beautiful. I love Makumalo's dress. She's looking exquisite. Like she's looking okay, fashionably late. Well, we have to give it to her. We have to give it to her. Umangwabe, she's looking like whatever, man. I'm just coming here ngoba nizisa ingane. That is what she's giving. Let's see, guys. Let's see. This is like the first half. This is the first half. Let's see the rest of umcimbi ukubana kutakwenzakala. Let's see. Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know, what do you guys think ukubana how would you have expected umakhumalo nomangwabe to deal with all of these things? Do you think bayamlaya umseleko ngokuza late? I feel like as it is already vele bayamlaya, and I feel like ulayekile vele, because they're like, we want out, but for them to like disrespectful honor the invite and then come extremely late. Don't forget to like and subscribe.